So here is the toilet paper. We should get some of those. Very nice. So now we're gonna check in our new Airbnb, which we rented for 2 months. So over here is our car. We parked it here at the free garage, right here at the Meridian Square, which is basically the city center. You can see, amazing location. All right, here's Paula. There's the entrance. The door code is 420. Oh, somebody's coming out. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's she. Okay. Okay.
Tourist.
Yes, tourist. Tourist. We are tourists. So here. It's not very modern. Okay. Nine. Nine, yes. How to say in Russian?
9. Это 9.
Это 9.
Ну, 7
In Ukrainian?
Ukraine тоже 9.
Тоже 9. You told me wrong yesterday. Yeah. Yes.
Камера. Камера.
Yes, camera. For
Проблем, да, сейчас война. Ты знаешь?
what?
Ты знаешь русский?
No.
No.
Камера, проблем.
Ah, in the city, camera, not good, yeah? So we have the light switch. Oh, the lights on here. Okay. No, we have a blackout already. We just arrived.
Really?
Anyway, this is a wonderful new apartment. And we have a blackout just for the check-in. So here, this is the kitchen. This is a walking place. So here we have a very nice view on the city. I actually chose this apartment because of the amazing view. Yeah, right here on the left, the Meridian Square. And yes, there's a blackout.
No me jodas la vida.
Yeah, so here's one bedroom. Here's the other bedroom. It's a bit too dark to see because we don't have electricity. And but downstairs have electricity. And the best thing, of course, is this balcony, which has an amazing view here on the Keshatik and the Meridian Square. It's absolutely fantastic. Well, luckily we didn't get stuck in the elevator. So anyway, let's get the rest. So, now the light is back. Something must have tripped the fuse. So, this is the wonderful kitchen. There's even a dishwasher. Unbelievable. And a washing machine. And the bathroom has a shower and a bath. I have never stayed in such a luxurious apartment in my life. But yeah, still $800 is expensive. But the location and the apartment, I guess, is worth it. The landlady said it usually sells for $2,000 before the war. And no Airbnb fees. So we're looking for a rental piano here.
The sounds beautiful.
Piano is coming. The piano was one reason we came to Kiev, because I don't know any other place in the world where you can rent such a piano for only $35 a month. Although we also had to pay $50 for the delivery and another $50 for the pickup when we finish renting it. Wow, it's tight. But it fits.
Yeah. No, there in the last one.
Here your knife.
Knife, yes, knife. It's a Czechoslovakian piano. Weinbach. So, another quick apartment tour. Now at daytime. So, it's a bit better weather today. You can see here on the one side the Maidan Square. Beautiful. Although the shopping mall opens quite late. They're supposed to open at 11, but they opened at 1 today. It was a bit inconvenient. Down there is a little public gym with the kids. Here I parked my car, although here on the other side I can park it with security for $25 a month. And yeah, let's have a quick look at the apartment. See, so we paid $800 the first month, although we have to pay 2 hryvnia for electricity. That's about 5 cents per kilowatt, which is good, I think. And then here we have a washing machine in the kitchen, a microwave, no oven, but a cooking plate here. We have a dishwasher, which is rare for Airbnbs. We bought today the water. It cost about $1 to let it refill. A huge fridge. And here is the living room. You have to buy HDMI cable. This TV is big, but it's quite old, so the receiver doesn't have a HDMI support. So here's the bathroom. We have this bathtub and the shower. The shower is very fancy. It even has these things here. So apparently you can make phone calls with it. But there's a fan. I'm not sure, but it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I think it's broken. Yeah, it used to be quite fancy in the past when it was new. So then today we got the piano. Yeah. So this is a beautiful Weinbach piano from the Czech Republic, and a beautiful chair as well. Yeah. The chair is worth $100. It's a wooden chair, so you have to give a deposit. So the piano costs only $35 per month for the rent, although the delivery costed $50 to bring it and $50 to pick it up again. So it's gonna be $170 for 2 months of the rent. And again, the best thing here is the view on the Krishatik and on the Maidan Square on the right. Beautiful weather. So here we have some statue. Very pretty. Painting. Here the wardrobe. We don't even have so many clothing to fill all the wardrobes. Cleaning. Free cleaning once a week. Also included. So then this is the main bedroom, which we chose. So slept quite comfortably. It's a good mattress. Also has air condition. And yeah, and I love this balcony. Since there were no chairs, I brought my camping chairs from the car, so you can just sit here and enjoy daily life in the Ukraine, in Kiev. Beautiful here with the clouds. Just on our balcony. Amazing. I'm so happy to be here. The best time to visit Ukraine is during the war, because you see all these advantages we have. Absolutely fantastic. So let's check the internet speed here. If you think Ukraine is a developing country, think twice. As you can see, the internet is incredibly fast. We almost have 200 megabyte upload rate, download rate, and then the upload rate is a bit slower. It's about 10, 15, but still amazingly fast. So I'm very happy to be here. Oh yeah, the dishwasher exploded. We don't know how to use these things, and therefore we didn't have dishwasher tablets, and I used the regular dishwasher liquid, but apparently this is what will happen if you use a bit of this. Oy, oy, oy. This place is even big enough, we can play frisbee. Let's try. Oh, see? But you have to practice. It's a good exercise as well. No. Warum nicht? Practice. So, throw. Yes, excellent. Stop laughing. So, jetzt aber. See, very nice. Sehr schön. Okay, one nice throw to the end. Yes, nice. So here's the trash dump outside the house. It's a smiley. And up there is our apartment. And here's also a playground and gym. If you like to do some exercises. Like here, it's a mixture of both. Like this thing is obviously not for kids. And this thing also can be both for kids and adults. And this one as well. Oh, and there's a Nazi symbol, but upside down. And a penis. Here you can lift weights. So back here at the apartment, this is the apartment door. And right now I'm going to the supermarket because we need some food. And it's, weekend. So over here is a mall which is called Globus, and their supermarket is called Novus. So up there, this is our apartment. The second balcony to the left, and the other one is on the other side. So we have a great view on the Krishatik. I think it's, wow, fantastic apartment. So in case you come to Kiev, let me know, send me a message, and I will tell you the apartment link. So although after the war it probably won't be $750 anymore. So yeah, actually it's $800 for the first month and then $750 for the second, plus electricity. It's not cheap, but it's cheap for what you get. So yeah, here this is the mall in Globus. Very pretty, and they have Pushata Chata. Although the Pushata Chata on this side is closed, only the one on the other side. So everything is twice here. They have one Novus here and one Novus on the other side. One Pushata Chata here and one on the other side. But the Pushata Chata here is closed and the other side is open. And this mall has weird opening times. It says 10 to 10, but it's not true. They open late, sometimes they open at 1 p.m., sometimes they open, I don't know, early on time. And yeah, apparently I'm not allowed to film here. You see here, this is the Pushata Chata. And over there is the supermarket. And we are going here to the underground mall. See here, the exchange. That's also a big problem with the exchange, because the ATM, they give you 29 hryvnia, but the official rate is about 37. So you would lose 25%. That really sucks. And the problem is we withdraw already like almost $1,000, because I first wanted to pay an apartment in cash, but then I realized there are no Airbnb fees, because they support Ukraine. And I have all this cash at this poor exchange rate. But luckily I find somebody online who would help me if I transfer them to their account in Germany. They would give me the cash at maybe 35 hryvnia. So it's not the official rate, but much better than what I get at the ATM. So yeah, this would be a walk around. But since we withdraw so much, we almost lose $200 just by this poor exchange rate. So this is the entrance to the metro station, the Maidan, but it is closed for whatever reason. I think the metro operates, just not on these stations. I don't know why. Yeah, Maidan, that's where we are. And there's the other entrance to the mall. So here, this is the other side of the mall. So that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and Slava Ukraina, or how to say. Everything peaceful.